Good morning, children. Today have the 10th class first lesson. Today's subtopic name is the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau. What the date today? 19th date, 9th month, 2020. Saturday, class 10th class. Subject is social. First lesson only. Today's subtopic is the Peninsular Plateau. Very easy and important topic for you annual examination. The Peninsular Plateau. What is that? Indian Plateau also called known as Peninsular Plateau. Indian Plateau also called known as Peninsular Plateau. Very important. 1 mark purpose also asking examination. Indian Plateau also called as known as Peninsular Plateau. Okay, children. Next, large amount of the water. What is large amount of the water? Water how to coming? Depending on the monsoons. Monsoons means what? That only one season, a rainfall season. What the season name is? Rainfall season. Okay na? Next, topography plateau have the people of two words. Which one? Topography. Topography. Very easy and interesting topic. And directions. Previous topic also said directions is northern side, southern side, eastern side, western side. Okay na? Western Ghats, eastern Ghats there and western Ghats there. This is belongs to the eastern Ghats. This is belongs to the western Ghats. Ghats means you know already in Maharashtra highest have the Ghats. In these Ghats only construction started the roadways. This top of the respective the southern plateau is the Kanyakumari. This Kanyakumari topic previous class of said. Kanyakumari belongs to the Tamil Nadu state. Tamil Nadu state very important too. Okay na? Tamil Nadu state. Tamil Nadu capital city is Chennai. Tamil Nadu capital city is Chennai. Is it clear, children? Next, go to the Peninsula Plateaus, Central Highlands, and Central Highlands are Malwa Plateau. Central Highlands are Malwa, M-A-L-W-A, Malwa Plateau. Okay, this is important. Next, Deccan Plateau. Deccan means South Indian state. Deccan Plateau means South Indian state. Example, Telangana there. Telangana which direction there? Southern side. That's it. Deccan state of Telangana also. Next here what there? We are locating the plateaus in the physical map of India. Physical map of India. Which map, children? Physical map of India. Next, Indo-Gangetic Plains. River's name is very important. What the river name is here? River name is Narmada. Narmada river, very important. Narmada river highest in the Gujarat state. Which state, children? Gujarat state. Next very important topic is that Chota Nagpur Plateau. What plateau? Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay na? Chota Nagpur Plateau. These comparison the plateau regions of the peninsular identify that of northern part of Central Highlands. Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich mineral resources. Very important. Rich mineral resources. Where is available there? Rich mineral resources. Where is available there? In this Chota Nagpur Plateau. Very important. Half mark or 1 mark. Rich asking examination. Rich mineral resources available there. The place name asking. What the place name is? Chota Nagpur Plateau. What the plateau name? Chota Nagpur Plateau. Is it clear, children? Okay. Next, go to the topic is the river of already clearly said. River name is Narmada river. Very important. Okay na? Landmass called the Deccan Plateau. Narmada as a triangular is called as the Deccan Plateau. This Satpura ranges of Deccan Plateau is known as Mahadev. Very important. Mahadev, Kashmir, and Kaimur ranges are portion of the Maikalu ranges. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. What are the Ghats? Eastern Ghats is this side is the Eastern Ghats. Eastern and southern boundaries of the respective. Which directions? Western Ghats this side, Eastern Ghats this side. This is very important. Okay, na? Regarding to the textbooks events, this is the black diagram of the peninsular plateau. Here already clearly say directions. In this textbook also given the direction. See, what is that? Western Ghats one. Okay, na? Next one is Deccan Plateau. Next one is Eastern Ghats. Last one is there Western Coastal Plain. Coastal means what? Sea coastal area. Sea coastal area. Is it clear? It's called a coastal plains of India. These are the diagram. Okay. Next one there, very important topic. In this map one was only clearly said. Okay, na? Now see the map. See you. Peninsular Plateau, Ghats and hills. Hills means here very important. North side, eastern side, western side, southern side or Deccan side. Deccan means some bottom side of the place. Northern means you know already. Okay, na? Next one, see you. Western Ghats parallel western coast of the structure of the Western Ghats is passes the gateway the coastal plains. Which plains you know? Now said already. Coastal plains. Which direction? Coastal plains of our motherland. Motherland means India. Next. Western Deccan Plateau is the west east of slope on the scene. Western Ghats of the nearly very important to 1600 kilometers. How many kilometers, children? 16 kilometers near the Gudaluru. Where the place? Near the Gudaluru. LAR. Gudaluru. Okay, na? This also belongs to the Deccan side only there. Western has the height of rise of the over height of 2000 meters from hill station. Very important. This is also Tamil Nadu state only. Udak Mandalam. Which Mandalam? Udak Mandalam, or also called the name is OOTY. Which state this one? Tamil Nadu state. Is it clear, children? Next. Known as the Ooty, also called the name is Udak Mandal, popularly known as the Ooty. Nilagiri and Dodabetta, very important. Highest peak in the Western Ghats. Highest peak in the Western Ghats. Where side? Located Dodabetta, 2637 meters. Which one? Dodabetta. Dodabetta is the highest peak. Known as the peoples of Hanaimudi, Palani, Tamil Nadu. Kordama means Kerala state. And hills. Hanaimudi 2695 meters. Hanaimudi is the hills highest peak in the South India. Okay, na? Hanaimudi is the South India was highest peak. Highest peak in South. How many meters you know? Very important objective purpose. 2695. 2695 meters. Is it clear, children? This is very important. Next, this completing out stopping. Western Ghats of the Eastern Ghats of the places of in our South Indian states. The Mahanadi Valley and Nilagiri Hills. Very important physical map of India. What the hills? Nilgiri. This also belongs to the Tamil Nadu state. Next, the Ghats of the Godavari. Two rivers name mentioned already South Indian side. One is Godavari, another one is the Krishna river. These places are the height of Eastern Ghats of the exceed 900 meters. Highest peak in the Eastern Ghats are important Aroya Konda. What the place name is? Aroya Konda. Okay, na? Aroya Konda. In this belongs to the place of this Andhra Pradesh state, Chintapalli district. Okay, na? Next, Nallamala and Velikonda, Palikonda and Sheshashalam hills with the hill stations of Ghats of remarkable features of the Peninsular Plateau. Black soils formed the volcanic activity. Black soils is called is a volcanic activity. Which activity? Volcanic activity. Once again total repeating. See children. First, regarding to the India purpose, the Peninsular Plateau. Which plateau? Peninsular Plateau. This is also called known as Indian Plateau. This is also called known as the Indian Plateau. Is it clear, children? These are the important of one. First here, Peninsular Plateau and Ghats and hills. Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, Anaimudi Hills, Dodapetta. Okay, na? Highest peak in the South Indian state is Anaimudi. Meter height is 2695 meters height. Okay, na? Which one? Very important. Aroya Konda belongs to which state asking. Andhra Pradesh state. Place name is Chintapalli state. Chintapalli is the actually village and district place. Andhra Pradesh state name. Is it clear? These are the important of the places of in our India. Okay, now once few seconds, once listen again. Sea coastal areas here: Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh. These are the very Goa also. These are important of the sea coastal areas. Okay, now and which one is that? Nagans, the place of the places in our India. Okay, now which is the important of the today topic is Peninsular Plateau and hills, highest peak in South India and South Indian states, and Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats topic is completed. Thank you children. Thank you one and all.